I'm Jamison Scott with Air Handling Systems, the experts that provide quality dust and fume collection solutions. And today we're diving into an important topic, how to choose the right manufacturer for high-quality dust and fume collection components. With over 75 years of industry experience, Air Handling Systems specializes in solutions tailored to meet your specific needs. Whether you work in woodworking, aerospace, food and beverage, pharmaceutical, chemical, plastic, HVAC, or any number of different industries, we provide the necessary dust and fume collection and pollution control for both commercial and industrial jobs. At Air Handling Systems, our top priority is problem solving. We believe in asking the right questions to fully understand and assess your unique requirements. Here are some great examples of questions we've been asked before and things you should really be thinking about. Do you have the proper dust collector or fan to meet your needs? Do you know the proper pipe diameters and appropriate steel gauges for your system?
We understand that every customer faces unique challenges, whether it's dealing with delayed shipments or adapting to problems that just pop up unexpectedly. Our goal is to solve the problem, not just sell a product. Often, our prospects tend to overlook crucial elements that are not immediately known. Do you have the correct configuration, such as 45-degree angles on your entry ductwork? 90-degree entries will affect airflow due to creating turbulence in the airstream. Think of a highway entrance ramp. How will you connect the ducting to your dust fume collector? Does the inlet have a collar or a flange? And will the ducting you purchase fit? Do you know that you should not use too much flex hose because it has at least 3 times higher static resistance than hard pipe? More resistance reduces airflow and decreases suction. Do you have enough space to fit a particular fitting to make your machine connection? These details matter, and we're here to guide you through them. Here are some examples of what we're talking about. Fagioli faced significant project delays because their current supplier could not deliver the necessary products quickly enough to meet their shipping deadline to Antarctica. They needed a system that could be quickly assembled and disassembled. Although we didn't have the required system in stock, we devised a solution that allowed us to create the same effect, ensuring timely and safe shipping to meet their deadline. Cochran's Lumber and Millwork struggled with suction efficiency in one of their machine lines. We collaborated closely with them and determined that excessive 90-degree bends, twists in the flex hose, and improperly sealed fittings were causing air leaks and suction loss. After installing fully welded, airtight fittings and reworking the ducting structure, we optimized the setup for better performance. We often receive requests about machines purchased with ducting as an afterthought. Shavano Millwork bought a sander that needed proper ducting. We worked on sizing and configuring the manifold to ensure optimal suction. As we do with new customers, we checked in 2 to 3 months after they were up and running to ensure everything was working properly and to offer assistance for any other needs that may have arisen during that time or in the near future. We've become flexible in our workflow to help clients who ended up with less than great solutions from previous vendors. We're here to fix those issues and get you back on track. For 75 years, we've been dedicated to producing solutions that last. Our systems are fully welded, airtight, and built to industrial standards. Unlike the lighter gauge material some vendors might use, our ductwork are manufactured to stand up to the demands of the industry. We manufacture everything from 3-inch to 42-inch ductwork, both galvanized and stainless in spiral and clamped together. Here's the thing, some local contractors might sell ductwork or fittings that aren't designed for industrial use. They incorrectly believe that ventilation can quickly be achieved with easy solutions. If you've ever been tempted by a cheaper option, ask yourself, why is it cheaper? Then ask the supplier if it's actually built to industrial standards and what gauge is it. Doing your due diligence up front is critical to avoid getting burned later by a poorly built system. We've seen it happen time and time again. Systems that weren't built properly, leading to major inefficiencies. For example, a system might use the wrong angle on the fittings or lighter gauge material that can't handle the airflow demands. This is what a poorly designed system looks like, and here's why it doesn't work. 90-degree entries cause turbulence in the airstream, which reduces suction. Air with particulates is coming up the pipe from the machine to the bigger main trunk and colliding at the back of the trunk before it can make that right turn. That collision causes a drop in velocity, airspeed, and will reduce the suction power needed to move the particulates through the ducting to the dust collector, which can cause the particulates to settle in the ducting. Take a look at our galvanized 24 to 18 gauge spiral pipe here. It's made for smoother performance and a longer lasting, more efficient system. Compared to other types of ducts, it has better rigidity, keeps air velocity more uniform to avoid settling of material, and provides for lower friction loss. It can also withstand vacuum power due to the spiral support here. With our products, you can be confident that your system will deliver superior airflow proper protection and reliability. No shortcuts, no compromises. We've perfected our packaging and shipping process to ensure that you receive your products quickly and efficiently. Our goal is to provide consistently fast turnaround times while minimizing shipping costs. We pride ourselves in our shipping process and have even developed cost-effective recycling processes that save you money and properly protect your products. Check out how we package our items. There's absolutely no room for your items to move around or get damaged. Your order will arrive in the same perfect condition as it did when it left our shop. Some competitors have minimums of what you can buy. We have no minimums. Whether it's a 4-inch blast gate shipping from Connecticut to Hawaii, a 6-inch ball joint to Cyprus, or an entire truckload of ductwork to Arizona, we ensure it gets there safely and on time.
Support goes beyond just the sale. We're dedicated to developing long-term relationships with our customers, and this focus on consistent support is what keeps them coming back time and time again. We've been servicing many of the same customers for over 25 years. We're here to ensure that you not only get the products, but also the assistance you need throughout your project. We're your educators as well as your suppliers. Because of this solution-oriented philosophy, we've been dealing with some of the same companies for decades. For example, we've been providing ductwork for dust collection for Ketter Woodworking since 1997. Ketter Woodworking is one of the Midwest's leading manufacturers in wood products and winner of multiple national awards, and has worked with us for more than 2 generations. Throughout their growth, we've been collaborating with them each time they upgrade and update their facility. For manufacturing pipe and fittings of various sizes, we've supported them every step of the way. When you choose Air Handling Systems, you're not just getting a product, you're gaining a partner invested in your company's success. If you want to learn more about Air Handling Systems, check out our link in the description.